APPS stock, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Digital Turbine stock, it just went up like almost 20% for the day, and I absolutely freaking love how it has actually gone in the overall delivery. And do you know what my prediction is next? Obviously I'm not just gonna guess, so I'm just gonna zoom out and just observe the higher time frame chart. From what I can see, we actually started picking up. This is actually after a very long time. So like this, I'm gonna mark out the highs. Boom. Let's go to the daily chart. Right, I'm gonna mark out this demand area as well. Since it's already delivering, the only time that I'm really gonna double down on is if the price retraces a tad bit lower again. Yeah, I mean, other than that, bro, I'm not gonna buy out of nowhere, you know. It just needs to give me the rules, and if it doesn't, good, you know, there's gonna be other opportunities that are. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.